my god, so it's royal treatment today. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today is my birthday, so I'll be taking you on a journey. I'll take you on what I'm going to do today for my birthday. It's not going to be anything major or... Hey mama, say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, mommy. Say. Not saying it? Okay. Anything exciting? Yes, just trying to get into my video. Yeah, just going on the road and just let you guys see what I've been doing for my birthday. That's it. Oh my gosh, so it's royal treatment today. So this is my breakfast. It's a cup of coffee. It's the first thing that I'm getting from morning.
Cheers.
She's right here with me, waiting on our food. So hopefully it tastes good.
Hopefully.
So I'm trying to get some balloons, like 31 or some color balloons. I'm not sure as yet what I'm gonna get. But yeah, I want to take some good pictures. What? Why are you looking at it like that? Party City. She said the floor is down. Oh, okay. Yes, let it come out. Needs to come out. Here. Oh, it's a party store. Yeah. Yeah. Shit. So I've been on the road from morning, just buying regular groceries, being here, there, and everywhere. My battery died, so I'm back home. Yeah, I'm just here to show you a little gift, a little token that my husband bought. I told him not to spend any money on any gifts much this year or anything, because this disease or this pandemic, we don't know when it's going to be over with. So I don't think buying expensive or a lot of stuff this year makes sense. So I'm trying to save on cash. So he bought me these earrings that I had in from morning. I think it's 18 karat white. I don't know. I just like them. I like them a lot, and he got them off Amazon, which is really cool. I'm okay with that. I'm not into expensive stuff. So this is nice. This was really nice that he bought these. He also bought me a waist straightener. You heard that I want. You heard me talking about some waist straightener. I wanted one, so he got one for me as well. So I'm gonna show you how it fits. Just give me a sec. So this is what it looks like. Yep, it fits perfectly. Wish he got it in black though, but it fits perfectly. Yeah. Training my waist. And he also got me a bag. It's cute. It's little and cute. Normally for me, I normally have big bags, but he got this small one. I think because I told him not to spend too much money. Please, not to spend too much money. That is okay. It's my birthday and all. I'm glad it's my birthday, but I have to think about what could happen. What happened if I lose my job again, or I'm laid off because of this pandemic? I have to think about all of that. So I told him not to spend too much money, but he still decided to get me a bag, which is actually cool. It's small. Yeah, smaller. I wish money was inside, but that's it. I don't know. Let me just see how it goes. Well, I think it's string and all, I'm not sure. So yeah, this is it. Can be worn like this. Yeah, small, I know, but it's a gift and I love it. Or it could be worn like this, like strap, which is actually cool. This is cool. Nothing is in it. That's the reason why it's flat like this. Yeah, so those are my gifts for now. Those are my gifts for this year. He told me that he was trying to book a deep muscle massage for me because I have muscle problems. So he was booking a massage for me, but it did not work out. So it's a bit disappointed, even though I tell him not to spend no extra money. He also booked somewhere for us to stay the night because he said that he wanted me to be like, for my birthday night, to be away from our child, just R&R between the both of us, or get some dinner, get some drinks, and go back to an hotel or whatever, just both of us, which is cool. I'm okay with that. That's really nice. Get to spend some time without the baby. So yeah. Normally last year for my 30th birthday, I got surprised. I got a dinner surprise from all my friends and him. They surprised me with my birthday dinner, which was really sweet, and that was the last time I was seeing my friends all together. Not everyone, but most of my friends all together. I really miss them. So that was the last gathering for us before we came to Canada. The year before that, I went to an Airbnb on the north coast of my island, Jamaica, which was really cool, and he went all out for that weekend. So these little things that he did is really nice. It's really nice, and I'm okay with it. It's nothing expensive, where some persons be like, okay, those are nothing for a 31st birthday. But yes, I'm getting older. So material things for me is not like, it's not like I worship them. So I'm okay. I'm happy with these gifts. I appreciate these gifts. It didn't have to. Some ladies won't get anything. I got these things, and he really took time out to do it. So I really appreciate it of that. So it's my 31st birthday. This is where my hair begins. Everybody here begins at, okay, January the 1st. This is where my hair begins. Last year when I turned 30, my goal was to come to Canada. But that year I was like, okay, I'm bent on being in Canada. After I spent the day before my 30th birthday, I received the email saying that my visa have been approved to come here. So that was my goal. I got my goal. I accomplished my goal of being here in Canada. So for this year, my goal is this is my goal to start college this year. I'm not a college graduate. I've never been to college. My highest level of education is high school. I've been to some training institution, but I want to excel more. So my goal for this year, my biggest goal for this year, is to attend college. I haven't decided on what exactly. It's between business administration and doing something in healthcare. So yeah, I don't know. I need to decide. But so we are checking into Super 8. Yep.
So look at me, I will I load so.
With what?
Not if 2 balloons I'm not carrying.
I want to carry 2 balloons and you have everything. You open the door, you want me?
Must be 13 or 31, one of the two. 31.
Thank you.
Alright.
Turn on the lights.
Let there be lights. Start up these balloons now.
Yep. So I don't have a view. This bush. I don't have anything. It's just bush.
That's okay.
So this is the bathroom. Nothing fancy. Yeah. Yeah. Nothing fancy. Nothing too fancy. It's just a regular bathroom. Nothing to talk about or brag about. What happened? Sorry.
Tickers.
So yes guys, we're back. I'm back. I'm having dinner with Huzzy. He's here. We're closing out the night with dinner. Might go for drinks after, not sure. But yeah, I got dressed up for my 31st birthday. Yeah, just want to say, just live your best life. Don't live life with regrets. Anything that you want to achieve, just go for it. Don't focus on negative things or negative persons in your life. Just go for it. Thank you guys for watching.